After the city manager left, we continued to talk, and a few minutes later, an officer who stuck his head in asked, quote unquote, "Are you guys all right?" The truth is, nobody's life was in danger at that moment in time until he walked in the room. Them's the facts. He walked back out after I shook his hand. He got a bracelet on. It's blue. How pretty. No other identifying marks. He wears long sleeves. I wonder why. Face is very familiar for me. I'll look him up online, see if I can find out who he is. I think I know who he is. I'm pretty sure I know who he is. He's been to my apartment complex before. I tested his honesty, and he was not honest until I caught him. And then he admitted he'd been to the apartment complex before. Low IQ. They think they're so smart. And they forget there's 8 billion people, over 8 billion people on this planet. And it takes a special person to put on a badge and gun and give up rights, to violate rights. You got to have something messed up upstairs. Or you're the genuine article who wants to give up their own rights to protect others' rights. That's how that job works. There's no other way around it. It's the reason the job was set up the way it is, and the reason the job is being regulated the way it is. And it's the reason they violate people's rights, that the job needs to be law enforcement across the country needs to be reformed. Qualified immunity needs to be thrown in the trash taken to the dump, burned. It needs to be sacrificed on the altar of freedom. There's no other way around that. So after he left, the officer left. Both Manny and Robert, said that law enforcement has never, ever checked up on them. Code enforcement. Never, ever, out in the field or in the office, come and checked up on them.